Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Lanmu Memory Card Holder. This is a really cool and portable case for the price, and it holds 5 SD cards and 2 micro SD cards. I'll put a link in the description to Amazon if you're interested. The packaging is pretty simple. You get the memory card holder itself, and a little keychain thing with a little loop, clip, and keychain ring. You don't have to use this if you don't want to, but I would use this with my keys if I had any. This holder has a Swiss Army knife type of design where the tabs slide out. I think it's really cool, and it makes it really easy to access your memory cards. You can easily flip through the different tabs to get the memory card you need. There are little indentations on either side of the tabs to fit a fingernail in to access your memory cards. But if you have short fingernails, you can also use this little cutout on the back to push the tabs out. The first tab holds an SD card and 2 micro SD cards, and the other 2 tabs both hold 2 SD cards. All you have to do is slide them in and they lock into place. They've never accidentally fallen or slipped out in my experience, and I have full confidence that they won't ever come out. The tabs won't slide out accidentally either when the memory card holder is closed. What I really like about this memory card holder is that it's really portable. It's not the smallest memory card case, but it's small enough to put in your pocket with your keys. Personally, I keep it in my backpack because I don't really need to access my memory cards very often. This thing ticks all of the boxes of the perfect memory card case in my opinion, except one: the build quality. The construction of this memory card case is all plastic except for the keyring part. To be honest, the plastic they used is really strong. There's no flex to the case itself, and even the loop for the keychain seems solid enough. However, plastic is still plastic, and if you're rough with your things, I'm not sure how long this case will last in the long run. For me though, I keep my memory card case in my backpack most of the time, so this is no problem for me. Overall, the Lanmu Memory Card Holder is a solid memory card case for the price. I really like the Swiss Army knife design, portability, and the ability to put this case on your keychain. There are more larger, more robust cases for around the same price, but if you're looking for a memory card case that's portable and efficient, I highly recommend this one. That was my video review of the Lanmu Memory Card Holder. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.